Goodleap is a major US-based fintech company specializing in financing sustainable home improvements, particularly solar panel installations. It offers a range of solar loan options, standard installment loans, FlexPay, and Go Green Refi, with typical APRs from about 5% to 9% and terms spanning 7 to 25 years. Goodleap loans help overcome the high upfront cost of solar by enabling flexing financing, often integrated directly through solar installers for convenience. The company is well capitalized with a strong industry position, having loaned over $23 billion to hundreds of thousands of households nationwide and maintains a low default rate under 1%. Customer reviews highlight that Goodleap loans work well when used responsibly, though some confusion about loan terms and payments is common, illustrating the importance of carefully reviewing contract details before signing. For homeowners without the cash to pay upfront, Goodleap offers a viable financing alternative to invest in clean energy. Overall, Goodleap provides a legal, compliant, and widely used financing solution for solar customers. Interested buyers should evaluate loan terms carefully and work with trusted installers who can clearly explain financing options and implications. And that would be all for this review video. I'll see you on the next one.